Media 55, and we're at VIP Customs Car Show, and this is...
My name Cadillac, baby, representing this Cadillac on 26th District.
I can do it in the heels, don't play. Play. Alright. Go make ladies go ooh. Besides driver. Come on.
Everything.
Representing one time for Dade County.
305, alright.
You know what they do. So I got the two-tone Magnum with the 22-inch rims, custom interior. They know what our ostrich leather. You gotta know what that's ostrich leather right here. That shit there nice and soft. You know what I'm saying?
Alright. So what car club you with?
I'm in high profile. One time for them down south boys and them, you know, we do what we do.
Alright, 305 repping, right?
All day, every day. Dade County.
I mean, here I am with a fly whip and no owner. But as you can tell, 2005 mag, a hot ass paint job. And we got 24s on it. And check out the clean interior, guys. I think I'm gonna sit in it. I think I look good in it. I think I might have to ask Media 55 for a company car.
Thank you.